Good morning, students. As I told you that I will send you two lessons daily for the value education. So the next lesson which we are going to learn today is lesson number 9, Nature, God's Wonderful Creation. So here this lesson tells us about the story of a island kingdom. There was a kingdom in Ireland which was called as Nidhi, and it was ruled by a king whose name was Vishwanath. In Nidhi, that means in the kingdom, there was a river flowing which was known as Sundara, and it was full of beauty. Natural beauty was there with fruits, flowers, trees, park, gardens. So many animals were there who were living naturally. So after the death of his this King Vishwanath, his son Veer Singh has crowned, and he became the king of the kingdom, and he was also a very good man, and he has studied in the Paschim, and he returned back after his father's death and was looking after the kingdom. His friend his friend Lob, means the friend of Veer Singh, came to visit the Nidhi, that means his kingdom of Veer Singh. And when he visited, he was very happy to see, and he said that to Veer Singh that you are sitting on a gold mine. Gold mine here means a area which is full of money, means every part of that area is having a money. He said that why you are not doing the business for this area, you can earn so much money from it. Firstly, the Veer Singh was not ready for the transformation, but when continuously his friend Lob motivated and made him to realize that this area can be converted into a beautiful place, eagerly he also uh, was interested to transform the place. So the Nidhi, which was the kingdom, was transferred, or means completely it was transformed to a zoo. And what happened? The animals who were living freely in that area, now all the animals, the birds were inside the cage. And finally, the river Sundara, which is having the clean and clear water, it became a picnic spot, and numerous people used to come and visit that place. And gradually, with that, what happened? The river with the clean and clear water has become completely polluted. Finally, the Sundara was talking to his friend, a bird called Koyal, and she said that I am totally disappointed as my water is not clear and the environment has completely become polluted. So he sent a message with the Koyal to the Veer that if he is not going to stop the destruction, the Sundara, that means Sundara will go back to the mountain. So the king was not happy with the message of the Sundara, and he said that let the Sundara go back, I will construct a artificial lake there. But listening to the Veer's message, Sundara was very disappointed, and she went back to the Meg and told everything. Later, what happened? The monsoon clouds start uh, away from the Nidhi, that means away from that area, and the area has become completely dried up and become drought. And suddenly the king realized that this is because that the Sundara has gone back, and then he was so sad he lost everything. And Lob, who suddenly decided to return back to Paschim, leaving the Veer Singh. The Veer Singh was all alone in his kingdom, which was completely destroyed. Then he went to a wise old man called Acharya for the advice that what he should do so that everything can become right again. So Acharya told that you go to Eravat mountain, which is the source of river Sundara, and pray for her for the forgiveness. As the Sundara was kind and gentle river, she forgiven the king and returned back to Eravat and start flowing in the Nidhi, and finally the Nidhi occupied his original natural beauty again with the birds and animals, and the area was full of lovely green plantations, and finally they become the island of natural wealth. So this is a story that we should not destroy our natural heritage from anywhere, otherwise we will be facing the destruction as the Veer has faced. So students, go through this lesson. I will send you the PDF exercises and question answers in the PDF, only the part oral part which you have to do in your own words, and one question is there in H which you have to do it in your own words. Other part I will send you in the PDF. Thank you.